All right, guys. Upper intake plenum's all bolted in. Throttle body bracket bolted in. Got the alternator little bracket thing back to the intake manifold to the back there. Now, we got the seal, excuse me, for this guy. Right here, we got a new one. You can tell it's been, when we showed a video, it was a little crusty. So we can get this all cleaned up, guys. Ready to go. Same with the throttle body. That bolts on too. And bolts on to the upper intake plenum. Also, we'll try to clean some of that out. Make it nice and pretty again. So yeah, we can get this all cleaned up. Ready to go. Bolted on. So I can keep on moving along on this car. Can't wait till it's done. It's gonna purr like a kitten. All right, guys, we'll get back to you in a little bit here.